In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change and properly set your Google Chrome security and privacy settings. It's important to understand how these settings work, as customizing them can help protect your data and enhance your online experience. So let's dive in. Firstly, open your Google Chrome browser. If you're using a Windows PC, you'll generally find it via your Start menu or on your desktop if you've placed a shortcut there. On a Mac, you can find it in your Applications folder or the dock if you've set it there. Once your browser is open, navigate to the upper right corner of the window where you'll see 3 vertical dots. Click on these to open the Chrome menu. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. This will open up a new tab with a range of options. Here, you'll notice a sidebar on the left. Find the Privacy and Security section and click on it to proceed. This is where you can adjust a whole host of options to tailor your browsing experience. Within the Privacy and Security section, you'll find several key features. The first one is Clear Browsing Data. Clicking here allows you to erase your browsing history, cache, and cookies, all elements that can add up and slow down your browser over time. If you're concerned about privacy, regularly clearing this data can be a good practice. Next, scroll to Cookies and Other Site Data. Here you have options to either allow or block cookies from web pages you visit. Cookies can greatly enhance your browsing by remembering your preferences and login details, but they can also track your online activities. If privacy is a priority, you may prefer to block third-party cookies or even all cookies. Further down, you'll find the Security option. Clicking on it brings up various levels of protection against potential online threats. The Enhanced Protection option offers stronger security protections and better performance. However, if you value speed over these, you might opt for Standard Protection. Consider your browsing habits to decide which is better for you. Another excellent feature in the Privacy and Security section is Site Settings. In this area, you can manage permissions for each site you visit, including camera, microphone, and location access. It's worth reviewing these settings and customizing permissions based on your comfort level and needs. One last tip. If you're ever unsure about a setting, Chrome provides small info icons next to most options. Simply hover over these icons for helpful explanations. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to change your Google Chrome security and privacy settings to better suit your needs. Remember, taking time to familiarize yourself with these options can greatly contribute to a safer and more efficient browsing experience. Thanks for tuning in, and be sure to subscribe for more helpful tips and tutorials.